Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I'm going to a motorcycle meetup, then I go for a little joyride afterwards, finishing up with some Chicago-style hot dogs and Italian beef sandwiches, and may meet up with some friends along the way. Got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. Alright, so first stop is to meet James. James is one of our newest Zoos Club members and our very first Zoos Club member that is here from the UK. So I'm meeting him at the base of the Williamsburg Bridge, and then we're gonna gun it over, across into Williamsburg, and hit up the motorcycle shop. So the motorcycle shop is Jane Motorcycle. Shmuley does a lot of events with them for Two Wheel Tuesday. What's up? Good to see you.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, we got James heading over to Williamsburg. So I'm pretty sure Shmuley is gonna be there. We might see Patrick. We might see Carlos. We'll see. All right, we're into Williamsburg. Jane Motorcycles is on Wythe Street, which is just up here. A couple more streets, we're gonna take a left. All right, here we go. It's like the inspiration for the Onyx.
I need couriers in my backpack. Taking the things out of the door tray, bring it home.
There he is. What's up?
Look at you being a giant.
Likewise, done that.
Now this is my style right here, caddy.
All right, I'll see you around.
Yeah. All right, Jane Moto in the dust, and we are heading to Greenpoint Beer and Ale. We're gonna meet up with Patrick. Got a nice view of the bridge here. Coming up on the Domino Sugar Factory too. Now we're into Greenpoint. Take a left here. All right, Greenpoint Beer and Ale is gonna be just up on the right up here. Great spot. Here we go. Pull on up. Watch out for the banana peel, don't slip. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
That hits the spot. What's up? You ready for riding to Jersey?
All
All right, so we're off. We're heading over to the 59th Street Bridge. First, we got to cross Pulaski Bridge and go through Long Island City. Patrick's going to meet up with Carlos. They're going over to Jersey to a car show. And James and I are going down to the Lower East Side for some Chicago-style beef hot dogs and Italian beef sandwiches. We are now in Queens, Long Island City. 3 Zoos riders deep. Nice green wave. Which way is it? That way?
Yeah, that way.
I think so. Here we are getting on to the 59th Street Bridge. Oh, there's Carlos. Hey, what up? Nice. Ready? Yeah, we're gonna hit up a little a bar that's doing like Chicago style hot dogs and Italian beef sandwiches. All right, so we'll split up at the end of the bridge then. All right, we're off. Going over Queens Bridge. A lot of traffic. All right, now we're back in Manhattan. Have a good ride. We're just gonna go straight down. He's right here. Have a good one, man. All right, we're almost there. We're in the East Village now. The bar we're going to is called Fool's Gold. We're gonna get some Hank's Juicy Beef. All right, this place should be right up here on the right. Here it is. Fool's Gold. We made it. Cheers. Another one. Beautiful Chicago dogs.
We were gonna go to New York, they were like $800.
All right, man. I'll see you on Wednesday, hopefully. Thanks for hanging today.
Yeah, man. It's been good.
All right. So that's it. We did it. Bikes, beers, and beef around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.